Hey, good morning. It's Paul Titterington. I'm doing a realtor tour at a property in Downers Grove, and it's 60 feet wide and 300 deep. 300 feet deep. But what's interesting about the property, it's so hard in Downers Grove to find properties with such large lots, and to have a ranch property that not only has a walkout basement, but it could be an in-law suite, teen space, you name it. Privacy is wonderful. Here, especially in Downers Grove, over on Lee Avenue, it's 5826 Lee Avenue, you're looking at the backyard. And way in the back, they have organic soil where they had a garden. So that's even more wonderful. And then if you look over here, hopefully I'm showing you, they've got the porch where they watch movies as well. With the pull-down projector that they put up there. The projector's gone now. But my point is, come on by. If you're in the area, it's from 11 to 1. I've got sandwiches and I've got some drinks, water, which I enjoy water. It's from 11 to 1. I'm doing an open house on Sunday as well, from 1 to 5. So not 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, but 1 to 5. So I made it 4 hours, and I know it's Mother's Day. And another side note, these videos that I'm doing, Facebook Live, I also cut and edit some other videos. If you would, just give me your your feedback. I appreciate you watching, Margaret. You're a great person. And she understands too, being a parent as well. I got a little daughter, and she has kids too. So God bless you, and hey, have a great day. And I hope you can stop by. Today is Thursday, and it is what is it? May 10th. Wow, 11 to 1 realtor tour, open house. Come on through. I think you'll like the property. It's got plenty of great features to it. Have a blessed day. Take care.